Frustrated by the Panorama Library DLL error causing localized multimedia logic to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll help you resync those external dependencies today. Before we begin the manual steps for Panorama Library, you can access a utility designed to help provide a clean system environment. This is the Panorama Library, a specialized panorama and stitching library. It provides unmanaged mathematical routines for aligning and blending multiple images into a single panoramic visual manifest. It manages the orchestration of high-resolution pixel data links for imaging software. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. The Panorama Library DLL library is a specialized component of the Localized multimedia logic system, and you must reinstall the program you are trying to open to restore the internal file structure if this file is missing. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Panorama Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Restart unsuccessful, no problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ Redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Manual intervention with Panorama Library DLL is technically dangerous because it risks overriding newer, secure system libraries with older, vulnerable versions that lack modern security patches. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. Return to your workflow by reviewing the diagnostic information below related to Panorama Library and system efficiency. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching Panorama Library today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.